back to my channel, it's Leah here. So in today's video, I'm going to speak in English. Thank you for all of my friends who've asked me to learn English more. Before this video, I've made 2 other videos to show you how to make Instagram feed with yellow theme and dark masculine theme. This time, I'm going to show you how to make grayish Instagram feed theme. I'm not going to show you how to make fully 100% gray Instagram feed theme, so we're going to need a little bit warm tone in our photo. This feed theme is inspired by all of my friends who like to explore photography in architecture in their city. So without any further ado, let's get started. First thing that you need to do is you have to choose all of the pictures that you want to put into your Instagram feed. It doesn't need to be 100% architecture or building photos. You can add a little bit of human touch in it so it makes your feed a little bit warmer. Then organize your photos and put the warmest photo on the center of the grid. We go to VSCO to edit the filters of the photo. In this theme, I'm going to use filters from Isle of Dog Pack, which is stock 1 with level plus 12, and make the exposure minus 0.5, make the contrast plus 1, saturation minus 2, skin tone minus 4, fade plus 3. For photos with warmer tone, you can make the saturation minus 3.7 or lower. Go to white balance and choose temperature and make it minus 2 or lower. Choose tint, make it minus 1.6 or lower, and choose fade, make it plus 6.9 or higher. And for all of the photos that we're going to put in the center of the grid, we need to make them cooler since most of them have warmer tones. With the filters editing, we can go back to preview, put all of the photos back, and organize them all. That's all for today. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you like it. If you have any suggestion or if you have any critics, you can just write down on the comment section below. Don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to give me a thumbs up, and don't forget to turn on the notification. See you on the next video. Bye!